A cheesy, smoky sausage roll is quintessential snack that never fails to satisfy. I love making sausage rolls, and they go so great with the Seduce 2022, and they're really simple to put together. So let's get into it. First and foremost, we're gonna saute our onions and our jalapeno chilies just to get them soft, and then we're gonna throw them on top of that meat. We're gonna get our happy little fingers and mix it up really nice and form some beautiful sausage rolls. I'm gonna drop a little bit of the Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil. Gotta have it on every recipe that we use. It's delightful, it's rich. We're gonna get this to about medium heat. Drop some of the liquid gold down on that saute pan. Let's get it. About 2 tablespoons. Get our trusted wooden spoon and get to cooking. Want to remind everybody at home as well, hit that like, hit that subscribe. The bell icon will pop up, remind you whenever a new recipe pops online. Join me, interact with me. Let me know in the comments what you like best about the recipe. Let's go. Saute our onions. Okay, I just put in the jalapenos, started with the onions. We're just trying to soften everything up. Let's go ahead and season it down. A little salt and pepper to really get it going. Now, whenever you season your vegetables, when you're sweating them down, the salt really helps all the water come out of it and helps it cook faster. Okay. While our onions and jalapenos are just getting a little bit soft, I have about a minute left. I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this sausage roll. Let's go ahead and do our ground beef first. Boom. Let's do our breadcrumbs. Delightful. Okay, our white cheddar cheese. Great. And our Yolk and Bridge Zin Barbecue Sauce. This stuff is amazing. Comes right off our 110-year-old Zin vines. Yummy. Smoky, sweet, with a little bit of kick. All right. Now we're gonna go with some bush tucker rub, which is really unique. It has salt bush in there, it has pepper leaf. So it has that lemon essence with some black pepper. Perfect for what we're doing today. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go back over here, look at my onions and jalapeno chilies. Now we want them to cool for about 4 to 5 minutes before we put them on top of this beautiful contraption of meat. So let's do it. Beautiful, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. While that's cooling, I'm gonna go ahead and season this with some salt and pepper. Season every step of the way. All right. So our onions and chilies have been off the heat for about 4 minutes. They don't need to be cold, they can still be warm. But we're gonna go ahead and grab them, throw them in this meat, toss them with our fingers, and make magic happen. Let's use our fingers. If at home you have a Hobart mixer, you can use one of those. Makes it a little bit easier. Or you can do it with your hands. You just don't want to over mix it. You don't really want to mess with the fat content, but you do want to make sure all the ingredients are spread throughout the loaf evenly. The meat's been mixed up, the onions and chilies, it smells unbelievable. That bush tucker rub, you can smell the salt bush, you can smell the lemon spices in it. Now we're gonna put the meat in a piping bag. At home, you can roll it out into cylinders, whatever you like to do. We're gonna pull out some puff pastry, get that in front of me. We're gonna start applying some beautiful sausage rolls. But first, I'm gonna whip an egg in a bowl, because that's what's gonna really seal the deal on this sausage rolls. Okay, all right, this is where the fun happens. Sausage, oh, love it. There's nothing better. Let's go ahead and lay a nice strip down from here to there, baby. Let's go. Okay. So we do a nice little loaf across the puff pastry. And now is when we start to brush our yolk and bridge Zin barbecue sauce. All right, just a nice little coat, just to give it a little pizzazz. Now I'm gonna roll it up. We're gonna actually make the sausage roll. So, all right, here we go. Tuck it underneath the roll. And you don't want to overlap too much, just about a ½ inch like that. Take a knife. Cut that piece off, boom. Okay, we have that ½ inch overlap. Now we're gonna hit it with some egg yolk, because that's gonna seal the deal. Make everything stick and happy, just like that. And then now we're just gonna kind of roll it forward like that, let it stick, and then pinch the seam. Pinch it out. So pinch out. Okay, so now we have that nice little seam right there. So this is when I use a fork. And just with the end of a fork, just prevents it from opening. The fork seals the deal. Now we're just gonna peel it off this paper. Egg yolk it again. This is what helps it get really beautiful color on it. Makes it really crispy and crusty, but soft at the same time. Okay, now that it's all nicely glazed with that egg yolk, I'm gonna top it with some Irby's bagel seasoning. I have a 400-degree oven behind me. Now we're gonna bake this off for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes until it gets really nice golden brown. You're gonna see the sausage juices coming out of the side of it. Sausage rolls are in the oven, and last step is cutting them and serving them. And I'm just really excited that we're using the Seduce 2022. You know, because of the tannins are exquisitely integrated, it just makes it a perfect wine for this recipe. Oh, look at that. Well, gang, it does not get better than that right there. It's golden brown. You could see just the butter and the crisp in the dough just flaking off. Oh, I'm salivating already. Let's go ahead and cut into this and enjoy some Seduce. I'm salivating. All right, all we have to do now is just put on a little bit of that yolk and bridge Zin barbecue sauce, the secret ingredient to these beautiful sausage rolls. So let's go. Enjoy this beautiful, delicate recipe with the Seduce Cab Sauvignon.